The 78th Independence Day of India. Should we really be proud of our independence considering what had happened in Kolkata a few days ago, which shook the nation and which took the nation by a storm? Still bearing the brunt of few people who don't quite deserve to live amongst us. And while we pay our respects to the families and we convey our condolences to the family members of the victim, the 78th Independence Day of India, which is August 15th, and there are quite a few nations which also happen to celebrate the Independence Day along with us. South Korea and North Korea, being the nations which are a center of a lot of curiosity over the years, happen to celebrate something called as Gwangbokjeol, which is the Restoration of Light Day, which happens to be on the August 15th, and they mark the end of colonial rule by Japanese in 1945. And they happen to celebrate their Independence Day, both North Korea and South Korea, on this very day, which is August 15, 1945. Apart from that, the Republic of Congo also happens to be celebrating their Independence Day after they bid farewell to the French colonial rule. There's a tiny European village which is one of the oldest surviving monarchies in the world even today, ever since 1719. We're talking about Liechtenstein, which happens to be a tiny, 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 tiny region which doesn't actually celebrate its Independence Day, but it celebrates its National Day, where even the prince gets to address the whole nation. There are festivities all around. There's also some sort of religious significance to do with the Catholic Church, where they happen to celebrate this day as their national day. What many people do not realize, Bahrain has been a British protector for a lot of years, and then they also happen to celebrate the 15th of August as the day that they stopped being a protector and they started becoming independent. So while it is not actually an Independence Day, but it is a day of significance in these nations. And next time you celebrate your Independence Day, please remember that there are other nations also which happen to celebrate the Independence Day with us, which is on August 15th. Thank you so much. My name is Casey. I hope you found this helpful. This is TV, and I will see you again. Cheers.